Good day, everyone. This is Nikki from Wechat. I'm glad to stand here to show our hot item, ZV-420 powder packing machine. As you see, it includes 4 parts. The first part is the order feeding machine, from this to this. The second part is our screw metering machine, from the top to here. The third part is the most important part, is the main poker, from here to the bottom. The first part is the finished product conveyor, the white one. It can connect to our main poker. You can put it in this position.
Okay, let's move to our order feeding machine. It includes this square hopper and this screw. In the following, I will show you how to operate it. This machine usually used for snack and food packing. So we have the cover up the hopper. It can anti-rust. And when you put the powder inside here, you can open this cover. This is a huge storage. You can put powder inside this, and it will animate through this screw like this. It will animate from here to the top of the machine. Let's move to our screw metering machine. There is the sealing device and the screw inside. The screw is controlled by our servo motor. The steering device mounts this screw can put the powder evenly down to the backformer. Let's show you inside this part. This is our steering device. This is our screw device. This part is on the back side of our main poker. It's usually for install our film. How to make a bag? It matches to the laminated film like this. You can put film in this position and it will through to the front side connected to our backformer. Some customers need to put the date outside the bag like this. It is the production time. It will use our date printer, this part. The position is between the front side of main poker and the film installation device. It's near to the film, this part. When the film action one time, move to forward, this date printer will print it in one time like this. So how many words you can put in your bag? That can print 3 lines. Every line it can put 15 letters. It decides by this letter. What is this letter content? It will print the bag outside. It will be.
Okay, let's move to our main poker. When the powder from this screw metering device down to this part of our main poker, the first part, this room, is our backformer. This part And then, when the film moves through down to the bottom, it will throughout the vertical selling device. This part and the back part. And finally, it will to this part, the horizontal selling device. Let's move to our video near to our base transformer. This shape, don't you see it like our corner? Yes, we call it corner transformer. And now we take our finishes back in my hands. As you see, it has so many edges. This one, and the back one. All of these edges is made by our selling device. This edge and this edge is made by our horizontal selling device. In the end, the back selling edge is made by our vertical selling device.